Well, tomorrow is another KDK First Alert Weather Day, and meteorologist Ray Petelin is here to tell us what to expect and when. Ray.
Yeah, this is one of those ones that has a little bit of everything, but it depends on where you are as to what you're going to get. So that's what we're going to start off with. When all is said and done, we're looking at, for Pittsburgh, mainly rain, the way this one wants to work out. That includes Latrobe, Connellsville, Morgantown, Washington, and pretty much south of Zelienople. There's still the chance, because everyone still has a chance for some freezing rain, but I think this is going to be mainly rain. And when we look at the areas looking for mainly freezing rain, which is the icy glaze, Somerset, Garrett counties, those are the spots where we're looking at the most intense icing. Although I think as you round the curve from Indiana down 422 back through Katanning and Butler to Newcastle and north to I-80, we're looking at mainly ice. North of I-80, mainly snow. Now, there's going to be some mixed precipitation all over the place, but that's what you're mainly looking at. And here's what I mean. We start off the early afternoon. This is noontime. Some scattered light snow up in the ridges, but this is going to change over to that freezing rain. The rain tries to lift up into Pittsburgh, but we get a little bit of a mix at the onset of this before it changes over to rain, and then those areas up north see a little bit of snow transitioning to freezing rain, which is the icy glaze. And this is going to be occurring around 7:30, 8 o'clock, so your evening plans could come with some icy consequences as you get up north or in the ridges. Right now, it is looking like mainly rain for Pittsburgh. Sometimes when the rain falls, it evaporates and cools things down. So we'll be watching for that to be the case. But right now, temperatures are looking to get into the mid-30s for Pittsburgh, which would lend itself to give us just mainly a rain event for the evening and into the overnight. Come Sunday, mostly cloudy skies, but I think things are going to be drying up, although it'll be cool and breezy. Now, when it comes to snow accumulation, you're looking at 1 to 3 inches as you get north of I-80. Everyone else, yeah, there's some maybe a dusting trying to show up here. Rain's coming into play. That's going to wash it away. Even the freezing rain's going to squash that down and pretty much take care of that. So there's not too much in the way of snow. When it comes to ice amounts, the greatest amount, Somerset down to Accident, Maryland, Oakland, Maryland. That's where you're looking at sort of the bullseye for the biggest ice, although some of that ice accumulation does extend back through Butler and Newcastle as well. So tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, KDKA First Alert Weather Day, but as we've been showing you, most of the activity is going to be happening once we get into the afternoon, and especially once we get into the evening when we get that secondary push of moisture. That's going to be the big part of this system that's coming through. Sunday quiet, Monday, Tuesday quiet. Now as we get Wednesday into Thursday, another snowmaker comes into play. There could be a warm air part of this, but this is almost a week away. But we're watching Wednesday and Thursday could become a KDKA First Alert Weather Day because of that. But you'll notice these temperatures all through the next several days kind of hanging out in the mid-30s, so not much variability there. And right now, the big concern is what happens in the east and up north as we get into tomorrow with that freezing rain.